If they don't like this gift, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you, but you probably just need to get another Valentine. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. It's already February and I cannot believe that Valentine's Day is almost upon us. If you're freaking out about what to get your significant other this year, fear not, I've got you covered. I have some great low cost and thoughtful gift ideas just for you. This holiday can get expensive, so I'm all about avoiding the overpriced nonsense and sticking to the dates and gifts that you'll both cherish and enjoy and remember for years to come. On this channel, I share budgeting tips, frugal life hacks, all things personal finance. So if you are interested in that and want to grow your wealth with me, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any new content. I'm also so close to making it to 100 subscribers. I'm at 88 as I'm filming this, so I have 12 to go, and it would mean so much if you could help me get there. Okay, let's jump right into it. Here are 4 affordable and meaningful Valentine's Day ideas. Create a playlist. This is like a modern day version of making someone a mixtape. This idea is especially great for some couples out there who are doing the long distance thing this Valentine's Day. Use whatever platform you like. I use Spotify, and start thinking about all the songs that mean something to you as a couple. It can range from songs that were playing when you shared a kiss, a song that made you think about them, or songs you know that are gonna put a smile on their face. Spend a lot of time on this project. Make this playlist as long as you possibly can. You're not spending any money on this, so why not make it as thoughtful as can be? Try and aim for at least an hour of playtime and give your playlist a really cute name. When your Valentine wakes up on February 14th, send them a good morning text with the created playlist attached and just wait for them to light up. This is guaranteed to make your partner feel appreciated and special, and it's gonna open up a deeper communication with them through music. This is also something you can add to in the future, so you have just accumulated all these songs on this one special playlist. So I think it's a really special gift. There's always the classic breakfast in bed. Let me tell you why this is especially a great idea. Breakfast can be one of the cheapest meals of the day to make, and it's a really great way to start off your morning. You don't need a crazy amount of skill, just get up a little bit earlier and do your best. Scramble some eggs and fry up some bacon if you have to, but I would suggest making your meal a little more romantic. If you're looking for a great breakfast idea, check out these crunchy French toast sticks. I make these in another video, and I think they're so delicious. They're really easy to make in your air fryer, and you can dress them up or down depending on what you already have in your kitchen. This is a thoughtful, easy way to get going on your Valentine's Day. Number 3 is a DIY gift basket. I've used this on a lot of occasions and it never fails me. All you need is a container and a basic understanding of your partner's personality. Start with a basket and you can easily find that at the Dollar Tree. Fill it up with your special someone's favorite things. You can make this as DIY as you'd like. You can make them personalized mugs. I do have another video about that if you want to check it out. You can fill it with their favorite soaps, candies, mini bottles, anything that you know they're going to enjoy. Socks, mittens, a puzzle, popcorn. Just get creative. Maybe sprinkle in a few notes about why you love them so much. The more personalized it is, the more they're going to appreciate it. It's not about how much money you're throwing into this gift on Valentine's Day, it's the thought that you put behind it. So if you put in all that effort and all of that thought into this gift, if they don't like this gift, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you, but you probably just need to get another Valentine. Here's another great idea. Clean up their space for them. If they own a car, wash it and detail it yourself. This is incredibly inexpensive and it's gonna make them feel so appreciated. Get your hands dirty, show them that you love them by creating a bright, clean space for them. Take out the trash, clean the dishes, do a deep cleaning of your kitchen and living room, and create a nice little date spot in your own space. Transform that space into a romantic atmosphere and you're guaranteed to put a smile on that face and you're gonna make them feel so loved. Of course, the best way to spend Valentine's Day is to actually spend the day with your partner. And you don't need to spend a ton of money going out and going to dinner when you can have the whole day indoors and have just as much fun. Spend the day together. Stay indoors, watch a movie, have game night, cook dinner together. I highly recommend game night. If you don't have a board game lying around, there are tons of free options right there on your phone. Check out Psych on the App Store. This is a really fun game where you get to try to outwit each other and get really creative. There are several free games on that app that are loads of fun. You'll get to know each other even better and you'll laugh all night long. Bake them something yummy for dessert. Set up your own photo booth so you can make those memories last even longer. There are endless options for an indoor date night and you're gonna save a ton of money by doing so. So what are you doing for Valentine's Day this year? Share with me in the comments. If you've made it this far in the video, consider subscribing for some more budget-friendly ideas. And if you thought this video was helpful, give it a like for me and check out some of these other videos I think you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.